Hi everyone, my name is Anchit Garg. In today's video, I am going to tell you complete end-to-end information about age-related queries for RBI Grade B eligibility. हम minimum age की बात करेंगे, maximum age की बात करेंगे, age related जितनी भी relaxations हैं, we will talk about all the scenarios in this video, and after watching this video, you will not have even a single doubt with respect to age-related queries for RBI Grade B eligibility. इससे पहले कि वीडियो शुरू करें मैं आपको एक और बहुत ही अच्छी चीज दिखाना चाहता हूं. सो वी हैव लॉन्च दिस कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव गाइड फॉर आरबीआई मैनेजर व्हिच हैज कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी एग्जाम. स्पेसिफिकली तीन चीजें जो आपको बहुत जरूरी चाहिए, यू विल बी गेटिंग दैट इन दिस गाइड बुक. द फर्स्ट वन इज द कंप्लीट end-to-end syllabus, the syllabus which is not there in the notification. You will be provided that part of syllabus here. Then you will get complete book list and resources in case you are doing self preparation. That would be really useful to you. And the last but the most important, you will get access to past years previous year papers which are very much useful for you to understand the need of the exam. और ये गाइड बुक बिल्कुल फ्री है. आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाना है. there is a link in that description. Click on that link to download this guidebook and you will be able to download this guidebook at zero fee. Right now let's talk about the eligibility in terms of age. जो भी आपकी queries हैं, जैसा कि मैंने बोला था, सारी मैं आंसर करूंगा. Let's start with the minimum age. So RBI grade B exam has a very clear cut criteria with respect to minimum age which is greater than equal to 21, which means that you should be at least minimum your age should be 21 years of age or greater than that to be eligible for this exam. तो काफी लोग होते हैं those who have already completed their graduation but they have not turned out 21, right? They will not be eligible. So जो भी कट ऑफ डेट होगा, I'll tell you about the cut off date in a while. जो भी कट ऑफ डेट होगा, as in on which date your age would be calculated, on that day you should have already completed 21 years of age and you should not be 30 or greater than 30. You should be less than 30. For example, if the cutoff date is say 1st August, right? So if on 1st of August you have turned 30, then you are not eligible. You should be less than 30. Similarly, on 1st of August, you should have already attained the age of 21 years or more than that. So ये minimum or maximum age है. Now let's talk about some relaxation scenarios which RBI gives you. The first relaxation scenario is based upon your category. So if you are SC ST, you get a relaxation of 5 years. It means in this scenario, your maximum age will be 35, right? Less than 35 instead of 30. For OBCs, the relaxation is 3 years. So for OBCs, the maximum age would be less than 33 years. And PWBD will get a relaxation of 10 years. For them, the maximum age would be less than 40 years. Right. So I hope this is pretty clear, the relaxation in terms of category. Now, here one more additional thing which you need to know is that this PWBD relaxation that I've told you, that is for 10 years, is for journal category. So if you are a PWBD with OBC category, then you can do a cumulative relaxation where you would be eligible for 10 plus 13 years, right? And similarly, if you are a PWBD plus SC ST, then the cumulative relaxation that would be available to you would be 10 plus 5, that is 15 years. तो इस चीज को आप जरूर ध्यान में रखिएगा. Now, what is the cutoff date to calculate the age? Generally, the cutoff date to calculate the age is the first of the month in which the notification comes. Suppose next year, say the notification comes in the month of March. Then as per past scenarios, the cutoff date that they will keep would be 1st March. Right. That is on this date, on the date, cutoff date, that is 1st of March. Right. This is just a scenario. So whatever that cutoff date would be, on that date, your minimum age should be greater than equal to 21 and your maximum age should be less than 30, or if you have specific relaxation, then as per that relaxation. तो ये तो category के base पे relaxation होगी. Now relaxation based upon employment. So here RBI is giving relaxation to those employees who have worked in scheduled commercial banks. Scheduled commercial banks का मतलब हुआ कि जो भी commercial banks, ठीक है, शेड्यूल्ड कमर्शियल बैंक्स हैं, चाहे पब्लिक हो या प्राइवेट, जैसे कि एसबीआई और आईसीआईसीआई, बोथ आर एलिजिबल. और ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, और ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस वी मीन योर पब्लिक सेक्टर इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज लाइक एलआईसी, देन नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक, सिडबी, नबार्ड, NHB, Reserve Bank of India itself. तो अगर किसी भी ऐसे ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन में आपकी एम्प्लॉयमेंट है, देन ऑल्सो यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर रिलैक्सेशन, राइट? और ये पब्लिक सेक्टर इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज लाइक LIC, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सो इनमें से कहीं भी आपका एम्प्लॉयमेंट है, देन यू वुड बी एलिजिबल फॉर रिलैक्सेशन. बट वो रिलैक्सेशन होगा कितना? So here there is a little bit of complexity which you need to understand. You will be eligible to have relaxation equivalent to your experience. तो सपोज कीजिए अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस 2 साल का है, राइट, 2 years एक्सपीरियंस है, देन द रिलैक्सेशन यू वुड बी गेटिंग इज 2 years. So if you have experience of 3 years, the relaxation you will be getting is 3 years. But maximum relaxation that you can get is 3 years. So अगर आपका experience 4 साल का भी है, तब भी जो relaxation है वो आपको 3 साल का ही मिलेगा. Moreover, there are conditions attached to this eligibility. First is that your experience should only be at officer level. So if you're working in a bank at a clerical level or at some other level which is not officer level, then that experience would not be counted. Only your experience at an officer level would be counted, and under that experience only you will be eligible for relaxations. And moreover, even if you're working at an officer level, your probation period in that officer level will not be counted. So if you joined at an officer level but 2 years you were on probation, that probation period will not be counted under your experience for relaxation. So suppose you have a total of 4 years experience in SBI. Out of that, 2 years is probation and next 2 years is after probation at an officer level. So this 2 years is probation. This would not be counted for relaxation, whereas this 2 years which is after probation at officer level would be counted for relaxation. So under this scenario, the maximum relaxation that would be available to you, right, under this employment type is 2 years. Now, can we combine two relaxations? So many people ask this question, sir, that I belong to say OBC category and I also have say 2 years experience in SBI at an officer level after probation. So will I get a cumulative relaxation of say under OBC category 3 years and under employment 2 years? Will that be 5 years? The answer is no, right? You cannot make it cumulative. You have to either offer the previous one or this one, but these cannot be combined together. So please take care. Please understand this point. This is very, very important for you. Otherwise, I've seen people preparing and in the end realizing कि वो तो eligible ही नहीं थे. तो ऐसा scenario मत पैदा होने दीजिएगा. Right. And the last relaxation is based upon your qualification, where MPhil, right? People who have done MPhil, they are getting relaxation up till say 32 years. So for their maximum age would be less than 32 years, and for PhD people the relaxation is up to 34 years. That is, for them the age would be less than 34 years. So these are the three relaxation criteria, the major relaxation criteria. Apart from this, there are one or two more, right? For example, for ex-servicemen and all. I think for that you can go to the notification and read out there in the detail. But I hope this is pretty clear. ठीक है कि क्या क्या मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम एज है एंड व्हाट आर द रिलैक्सेशन सिनेरियोज दैट यू वुड बी एलिजिबल, right, under all these scenarios. So that's it from my side. Before I go, I would also like to tell you about our online courses in case you are looking for some assisted preparation. So we have complete comprehensive course which can give you one-stop solution to prepare for RBI Grade B, जहाँ पे आपको कोई book, कोई एक्स्ट्रा वेबसाइट, कोई एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्स पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. एवरीथिंग वुड बी टेकन केयर इन आवर RBI Grade B course. So we have two packages, the gold pack and the silver pack. Gold pack is a comprehensive course which takes care of phase 1, phase 2 and interview, whereas silver pack is mainly for those people who are already good in quant reasoning and English and they feel that they mainly need to prepare for phase 2. तो उनके लिए full phase 2 मिलेगा, full interview मिलेगा, but for phase 1 we are only giving the GA portion. They will not get quant reasoning English there in the silver pack. And in case you make up your mind, you can also check some sample material, free sample material. There is a link to check the sample material in the description. Please check out that and make up your mind, right? It would be good to see on the other side. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.